Hello guys, welcome to another videos. Stuff with some coolest gadgets. In today's video, we will be sharing some amazing gadgets. You can buy these gadgets, but before continuing further, kindly hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon, so you never miss any update from us. Let's continue with our video. YogiFi Smart Yoga Mat. Ready to take your yoga practice to the next level? The YogiFi Smart Yoga Mat will be more than happy to accompany you and your downward dog and warrior poses. This intelligent mat not only provides a comfortable and durable surface for your practice, but also comes equipped with AI sensors that track your movements and provide real-time feedback on your form via the accompanying app. Lower your waist a bit more perfectly done. By the way, in the app you'll find a lot of short yet effective classes based on your skill level and pace. What you need is just to unroll the mat, connect to the app on your mobile device, and make sure YogiFi is charged. Flyte Lyfe Planter. Want to add some excitement and some life here space look? No further than the Lyfe Floating Planter by Flyte. This cutting-edge zero-gravity system suspends your plants in midair, allowing you to enjoy them from all angles. Plus, the built-in rotation feature will have your plant doing pirouettes like a ballerina. The wood base adds a touch of class, while the magnetic floating technology keeps everything in place whether you're in your bedroom or at the office. The mesmerizing motion of the Lyfe Floating Planter will make you feel like you're living in the future. Lovebox Color and Photo. Lovebox Modern Love Note Messenger is a brand new way to send notes to your loved ones connecting to the internet. This simple yet incredible device actually displays the personalized love note in real time inside the Lovebox. There's a digital display when you receive a love note. The front heart knob will spin energetically until the box is open. Once the lid's off, you'll see the full message on the display in addition to words. Senders can also include delightful drawings to show the sender some love. In return, you simply spin the heart knob. This initiates a heart-filled message back to them, reciprocating the love note with an all-wood exterior and pixelated heart. The Lovebox looks exceptional in any living space. SmallGarden. Tired of bland store-bought herbs and greens? Want to add some freshness to your kitchen? Look no further than the SmallGarden Indoor Connected Garden. This little gem allows you to manage your garden from anywhere. Thanks to its convenient Wi-Fi connection, just open the app and voila! You'll know if your small garden needs watering, if your crops are ready to harvest, or if they need lighter, and with built-in LED lights. The countertop garden doesn't need to be near a window, making it perfect for those of us with small apartments or windows that don't get much sunlight. Plus, it grows a variety of vegetables and flowers, so you can add some freshness to your next big dinner party meal, or even a beautiful vase on your table. Makeup Brush Cleaner. We all know that makeup brushes are a breeding ground for germs and bacteria. If not cleaned properly, let's be real, cleaning and drying them is a nightmare. But no more. Luxe is a compact and quick makeup brush cleaner that'll clean and dry your brushes in just a few minutes using it's a breeze. Just dunk your brush into the liquid, push the button, and let it spin. Then dry your brush by spinning it in the air. Voila! You're ready to apply your makeup with a clean brush. No fuss, no muss, no acne. Dreamegg D11 Sound Machine. If you just want to relax and help yourself to fall asleep, this white noise machine is your way out. Push the button and pick one of 11 soothing sounds like white noise, ocean sound, lullaby, and so on. The built-in night light will be helpful too, of course. You can adjust the volume and the brightness if needed. In case you wondered, yes, this device is suitable for babies too. Hoto 35-in-1 Rotary Toolkit. Pack your toolkit with a Hoto multifunctional Rotary toolkit. Okay, so this is a 35-in-1 device that has a super long battery life of up to 50 minutes. Moreover, it offers 5 speed adjustments, so you can use it for different materials. Furthermore, weighing only 8 ounces, it's lightweight and comfortable to hold as you work with 35 high-performance accessories. It can do a ton of things: cutting, grinding, milling, cleaning, polishing, drilling, sanding, and engraving. Finally, it also has a gear memory setting to remember the last gear you used, resulting in an uninterrupted working session. Multifunction Foldable Level. Levels are helpful when hanging pictures evenly or putting up shelves. However, how do you measure corners and stairs? That's where the multifunction foldable level comes in. This handy gadget is a must-have for any handyman with a length of 28 inches. The level gauge has 4 clear and intuitive blue bubble water bottles, providing accurate horizontal, vertical, and 45-degree readings for calibration, and if you need to measure a metal surface. The built-in magnets will keep the levels securely in place, but the best part about the product is its foldable design. When you're done using it, just fold it for easier storage. We hope that you have enjoyed our video. Kindly give it a thumb up, and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching the video. Please leave a comment, guys, which country and city you watching from. Also check out my links in the description below. And mention your favorite gadgets below.